Christmas service. Franz Gruber, church organist, laid the matter before his friend Joseph Moore, vicar of the church, suggesting that a new song might be helpful in this emergency. At this suggestion, Moore wrote the lovely verses of Stealing On. Gruber immediately composed the music for it and presented the new song at the Christmas Midnight Mass. It was sung in three-part arrangement to the accompaniment of guitar. When the organ repairman arrived a few days later, Gruber showed him the new song. He was pleased with it and took it to a family in Austria who made extended concert tours and were famous for their singing of folk songs. Through this family, the song became known in Germany even before it was published. The tranquil beauty of its music seems to breathe the atmosphere of the humble manger birth. It has sung its way into the hearts of mankind, being now one of the universal favorites, and it has been translated into no less than 90 different languages and dialects. Please join the choirs in singing Silent Night.